Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So, I want to talk to you about a new play to earn altcoin that has gone up 15,000%. You heard me correct, in the last 4 months. This is one that I've had my eye on for a while. Myself and my buddy Zach Humphreys, by the way, if you're not familiar with Zach, check him out here on, I messed that up. Check him out. It's not an Austin video if I don't screw up at least one, right? So check him out here on YouTube. But we've had our eye on this particular one for a while, and this one is one that I think is absolutely worth looking at. Again, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and do your own due diligence. But this is one that I really like. And here's before I show you which one this is. The reason I like this is that if you look at what's going on in crypto, you've got major sectors. You know, you got DeFi, NFT, etc. You've got you've got play to earn gaming, metaverse, and things like that. And the last two I just mentioned, play to earn gaming and metaverse tokens, seem to have a life of their own, right? When we've been in the last 2 or 3 plus week where we've had mostly red days in the entire crypto market, most of the play to earn and or metaverse cryptos have done really well despite this overall broad market decline that we've had in the last 2-3 plus weeks, which is a very interesting scenario. And so I've always loved play to earn cryptos. I'm on record of stating that I bought Axie a long time ago. I love Sandbox, Decentraland, etc. But I'm moving faster and further into this play to earn space, and this one has had my attention. So with that said, again, 15,000+% in just 4 months over, and it just passed the $1 billion market cap. So before I show it to you, which one do you think it is? Drop in the comments below. What do you think this particular crypto is? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, so it is UFO Gaming. Okay, so UFO Gaming is just crushing it again. It's up 15,000+% since launching in July, and it has moved up dramatically, burned a ton of zeros, and is now trading in this area. By the way, full disclosure, not being paid by anybody at UFO to do this video. Just wanted to make that very clear. Okay, so it's also surged 150% in the last week alone. The UFO team behind this ecosystem, they are very community focused, and I've heard very good things about their team, about their community, things of that nature. All right, and then look, quote, when a new planet is discovered, a new game is not far behind. Each game will be dedicated to one planet in its own sub-economy of the entire dark metaverse, which is UFO's gaming metaverse. So the way that they're setting this up, it's like per planet, a play to earn metaverse, which I love how they have structured everything. And this is one, guys, that I think is going to be around quite a bit. Good graphics, things of that nature. Let me see, there's, so this is some example, let's see, this is some example of what their gameplay looks like, which you can find on their website here. I'll drop links, by the way, down to their website. But again, you got kind of some examples of what their gaming looks like here, okay? And again, they've got NFTs coming. Again, they're play to earn gaming. They've got a rating system, NFT marketplace, breeding and trading characters. They're doing some really cool stuff in this play to earn space. And just to remind you, this is something that I have absolutely been very bullish on, are these play to earn cryptos. All right, so real quickly, let's look at their price action. It's right here. UFO Gaming currently trading up about 3%. You can see that since the inception, they've burned some of those zeros and they continue to move up. But if you look at the last 7 days, if you will, have done fairly well, frankly, despite the overall broad market being in decline. As I mentioned earlier, these play to earn cryptos, they kind of have a life of their own outside of the majority of the price action movement in the overall broad market, which I really like, similar to what we see on Metaverse, okay? Metaverse plays. And so from a market perspective, here's your respective markets where you can pick it up. So there are some exchanges if you want to avoid some of the gas fees and things of that nature. I have bought some of this, and by the way, the gas fees I paid were about $57. So gas fees, as you know, are different, depending upon times of day and volume, etc. But you can get it on Uniswap, Shiba Swap. There are some exchanges like Bitmart, things of the L Bank. So there are some exchanges out there if you want to maybe leverage some of those exchanges to avoid some of those gas fees, etc. Okay, so this is one that I really like. I think it's poised to continue to do really, really well. I like how the executive and dev team are moving forward with this ecosystem, how they're structuring it, etc. Run this through your own due diligence and check it out through that. If you're interested, check out the links below into my Patreon group. If you're interested, maybe check out the annual option. We're towards the end of the month, but if you want to get in now, you can join with an annual option, save some money. There's an annual option on the supporter level as well as inner circle. The supporter level gets you access to just the Discord community, which has over 3,000 plus members. At the inner circle level, you get access to all of my buy alerts, my trade alerts, sell, profit, buy, new tokens coming out. You get early access to what those are, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, things of that nature. So with all that said, have a good one. Go make some money. Check this one out. Take it easy. Bye.